Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase end user satisfaction with Freshdesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Once you are in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Tickets section on the left sidebar. Click on it to view all incoming support requests. Analyze the ticket categories to identify common issues. Use this information to prepare FAQ articles. Next, navigate to the Solutions tab. Create user-friendly knowledge base articles. Ensure each article answers common questions clearly. Make use of images and videos to enhance understanding. Now, set up an automated response system. Go to the Automations section under Admin. Create rules that trigger responses for common queries. This will reduce response time and improve user experience. Next, focus on ticket assignments. Utilize the round-robin feature for equitable distribution. Train staff to handle tickets promptly. Monitor response and resolution times regularly. This data will help in understanding your team's efficiency. Encourage team members to use tags on tickets. Tags will help in organizing and prioritizing requests. Now, move on to customer feedback. After resolving tickets, send out satisfaction surveys. Use the insights from these surveys to make improvements. Consider implementing a live chat feature. This allows users to get instant support during critical times. Regularly review your knowledge base for updates. Ensure that all information remains relevant and accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.